Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Obviously orange here. This vehicle is a full wrap with XPEL Ultimate Plus, full ceramic, full window film, and what else we do this thing? Some interior ceramic, maybe one other thing I'm not thinking of, but either way, let's go over the car. We still got a hood emblem to put on, but that's gonna wait. It's going back to the dealership to take off the matching orange splitter. They're gonna put a carbon flash one on, and then they're gonna put on the Jake skull on the hood, which comes down into here. We're just gonna put it over the PPF. We had debates on what they wanted to do because it's a matte sticker. So it's gonna go over the PPF. We got it finalized. So that's gonna go back to Chevy in Grapevine, Texas. It'll come back here. We'll ceramic coat that decal and wrap the rest of the new splitter. So let's take a look here. Sorry about that. Let's take a look here what we got. So when I do the install on this, I make sure that I've been seeing plenty still where people are cutting out these edges, and you want everything to look as if the car is painted, just like you pick it up from the dealership. I don't have any edges. Everything's nice and clean and free from adhesive marks, stretch marks, any type of issues. I wrap in all these edges. I see it where people still have an edge here. You can actually get under there. Plenty of room, plenty of flexibility. Everything's underneath. When we get in here, all this fully wrapped. The mirrors go all in one full section here, and then we put a piece in up here. I can't do this all in one, but we make sure that seam is clean. We bring it together. This roof piece right here, this first one, fully wrapped in all four sections. The main roof piece that comes off is all one. I don't seam anything. So everything looks fantastic. I take these out so I can wrap in here and do this deck lid all in one section, fully wrapped, quarters. So far there hasn't been any lines. Everything looks fantastic. These decals come off. I pay $70 for them at Chevrolet. That one's $21 at Chevrolet. Then we put them on because we don't want any cutouts around it. Everything's clean. And much more of the same over here. Everything looks fantastic. Those come off. Those are 25 bucks. And we put them back on, all OEM parts. Some dealers charge more, but where I go in Louisville, they don't kill you. So there it is, full ceramic and then full tint, XR Plus, XPEL Ultimate Plus, the XPEL ceramic coating. Everything's fantastic on this car. Everything turned out real well. It's a family of them that bought these. I think there's 6 of them. And this is the last one coming through here. We'll see it back in a few days, and then finally they're all done. So there it is, clearbrownorthdallas.com, clearbrownorthdallas@gmail is our email. And for landline, it's 940-600-1308, or a cell, 940-703-8301. You guys have any questions, need a price? Unfortunately, I don't give out pricing on the comment section. I don't want to leave it there and 2 or 3 years later somebody's trying to hold me to something after inflation, obviously. So get a hold of me directly. I'll be happy to give you a price. If you have questions, you're in another state, you get plenty of people that call me and ask for advice, or dealers that do the same type of work. They are out there. I'll find them. I know a lot of people, but I don't mind helping you. I get people that want to bring their cars here from the West Coast, East Coast. I can save you some time by finding you somebody that could do this work. So unfortunately, not everybody takes the time to do the details like this, but it is fun, and the car should look like nothing's happened to it. Fully protected. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a like and follow us. Appreciate you. Thanks. Have a great day.